Today, I will explain how to transfer money from PayPal to TymeBank in a simple way. First, you need to know that PayPal does not support direct transfers to TymeBank. So you cannot send money straight from PayPal into your TymeBank account. You will need a middle step using another bank account or a transfer service. Start by logging into your PayPal account. Go to your wallet section and check if you already have a South African bank account linked. If not, you will need to add one. Enter your bank details carefully and complete the verification process. Once your bank account is linked, go to your PayPal balance and select Withdraw Funds. Choose your linked bank account, enter the amount you want to transfer, and confirm. It usually takes a few business days for the money to arrive in your bank account. After that, open your banking app or online banking. Make a transfer from that bank account to your TymeBank account. Enter the correct account number and branch code, then confirm the transaction. The transfer is usually fast and may reflect within a few hours. If you do not have another bank account, you can also use a third-party money transfer service. These platforms connect to PayPal, allow you to withdraw funds, and then send them to your TymeBank account. Just make sure you follow their verification steps and check any fees before sending money. Always double-check your account details and make sure the name on your PayPal account matches your bank account to avoid delays. Once everything is set up, future transfers become much easier and faster. If you are trying to earn extra money while managing online payments like this, one simple option is using platforms like FreeCash. It allows you to earn small amounts of money online by completing simple tasks and offers. You can find the link in the description to sign up for free and start earning extra income alongside your online transactions.